Good morning, everyone. Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Let's take a look at market conditions. One of the things, several things to look at today. One of the things to be aware of is tomorrow is that CPI number. We may see a lot of this quietness and pause that we've seen here in the last 2 or 3 weeks. Could be the traders waiting for that. So just be aware that that's coming out tomorrow, and a lot of times will affect the market. You get a lot of volatility around those data points because that's what's been focused on is inflation and interest rates currently. Nonetheless, here in the short term, mildly bullish in a bear market. What does that mean? What that means is we're in this bear market, we're in this downtrend, but in the shorter term, we're getting more and more bullish. You've seen this change from mildly bearish to bearish. That's the short-term part of this analysis, and that is starting to happen here where momentum is stuck in the middle. If that momentum were to move up to here, then that would be bullish in a bear market, or here you're getting mildly bearish or bearish in a bear market. So as those are changing and you're seeing these updates here from mildly bullish to bearish, I get that question from time to time, and that's why this overall long-term perspective is bear market. That's our first point of bias. What direction should we be aware that the market is in? We don't want to be super bullish in this case, being really aggressive because it's a bear market still. That can sometimes affect some of the trades. Although we have seen, we've seen biotech, we're seeing oil, we're seeing steel, we're seeing there's plenty of stocks that are in a bull market. But the market as a whole this is what's happening currently. We do have just a little more inkling of bullishness now. We're getting this buy-sell ratio, which is widening. So you've got more stocks in the database that are shifting to that uptrend. Sentiment is right here at the halfway point. So we definitely want to keep an eye on this current trend that's happening right now. Also with SPY, we take a look at SPY, and let me actually just move over to here and we'll go SPY. We still have this resistance area. We had a little bit of an uptrend today. I think futures are up slightly this morning. This resistance area is going to be significant for SPY. We still have this indecision coloring. Again, what we want to see is either all red or all green, and in this case it's kind of stuck in the middle. So that's just a clue of some indecision. It's kind of trendless right now. We'll see if we get a breakout to the upside or the downside. That might solidify the overall direction, at least here in the short term. We've got that real long, massive uptrend line that's down. If we were to break up through that, that would be significantly bullish. Some good-looking stocks here in the new buy list. ALT, excuse me. This is a really nice-looking pattern. Here again, that's that bullish profile that I've mentioned. We've got this uptrend and a counter trend and then a confirmation bar. I call this a confirmation bar when you get that one big signal that looks like that. That allows you to set a stop loss location just below that bar so that you can define your risk at that point. It makes it easy to be able to set up a trade by defining your risk below that breakout bar, that confirmation bar, that bullish bar, igniting bar. Just doesn't matter what you call it. It's just a breakout type of move. So an interesting stock right there, especially in that biomed and drug sector. Those are really working right now on a lot of stocks, and you're actually seeing a few more of those. The other one that was in the list was FLSR, which is a solar play, which is an interesting pattern as well. Potential breakout happening, nice retracement, and again, this is the part of the trade that we don't want to mess around with. Just let this chop around. Now once we get some confirmation, then we hold on to the green, trade onto that green as long as it stays there and can provide a nice trend. A couple other stocks. Remember, keep an eye on steel. I actually added a couple to the watch or to this watch list. CMC, this steel is breaking out. Keep an eye on some of those. Any other steel stocks, oil and steel, biotech, those are the ones that are working real well as of now. If you don't have access to the site or full access to the software of what you're seeing me do here, you can certainly sign up by clicking the link below, and we look forward to having you. Have a great day today.